Coming up on Levi Trumbull Reporting.
Are you denying service?
Mr. Sheets.
Are you denying service?
Are you trying to hand me a notice of intent to sue?
Are you denying service?
The city of Punta Gorda, Florida has found themselves in a federal lawsuit, and process server Andrew Sheets has one mission.
I'm standing here telling you I'm not denying service.
Yes,
I'm
you
asking
are.
a clarification
So
question.
the
to
papers
ensure
are
that
here.
service is
Everybody
made.
can see this. This person is denying service.
All right, guys, what's happening? Levi Trumbull here. Check out this epic video we have straight ahead of Andrew Sheets. You know him, you love him. First Amendment activist out of Florida. You're about to watch him serve a notice of intent to sue to the city clerk for the city of Punta Gorda, Florida. Probably some free speech issues going on. But they actually called the police on him for trying to serve that notice of intent to sue. It didn't work. The only thing that happened was that police officer showed up and I guess almost helped effectuate that service in a way because he was able to do exactly what he was there to do, which was serve that notice of intent to sue, and calling the police on him didn't work in this case. So sorry about that, but epic video nonetheless. Check it out right here, and we'll catch you guys soon.
Okay, are you recording? Is that on?
I'm recording.
All right, where's the light?
This one, I have it on dim.
All right, so what, then, so when I'm going to put this away and then we're going to go together and get it done?
I'm not going to go, I'm not going in there with you. If you're trying to drop some paperwork, just like any other citizen, you guys, you're trespass. You can
then you have to go and tell them. I already went through this with Fiorini. He already came here yesterday and said that's right, what they did is bullshit.
All right, give me a second and I'll let them know.
All right.
Is it first floor or second floor?
I got to go to third floor, give it to the city clerk.
City clerk? Okay.
Yep.
All right, give me a second. I spoke with the employees over at the third floor.
Yeah.
Basically said that they're getting in contact with HR, with Courtney, to figure out what's the process and who that paperwork actually needs to be served to.
This is a notice of intent. I've done it countless times.
I don't, like I said, I am not putting myself in the middle of it. I spoke to them. They said they got in contact with Courtney to see to whom you have to give that to.
Well, and again, all I got to do is give it to the city clerk.
Mm-hmm.
Fiorini already went through this yesterday.
Well, they said they're not going to receive anything. They're going to wait on Courtney to figure out what steps they need to do.
That's a bold-faced lie. I need an insert report to get that body camera.
Absolutely. I'll give you the event number. It's not going to be a report.
Okay, that's fine.
Absolutely.
So what does that mean? They're going to call me or come out here?
She's gonna call Jeff Payne now to figure out what steps. Give me about 5-10 minutes, and hopefully she calls me, and then I'll let you know.
All right. I mean, even if they come out here on the steps, I don't give a shit.
Yeah. That's ultimately what's gonna happen. If HR can receive it, she'll come out and take it from you.
And again, if it's a summons, that everything's different. This is not a summons.
I understand.
But yes, tell the vault he's next. I'll wait in the car.
Okay.
Two notice of intent to sue.
All right, and can I just take a look, because I need to make sure that the clarification is that these are not process of service, because I don't accept process of service.
No,
That's
it's
not
just a
done
notice.
by
I've
the
done
mayor.
this many, many, many times.
Okay.
This is not a summons.
All right. So that's one, and this
Second
is the other
one.
Okay. So I'm Jennifer Faulkner, by the way. I'm the deputy city clerk. I'll go ahead and mark these received by the city clerk's office. We will get them over to the legal department, and they'll basically take it from there. But I'm happy to go ahead and take them and mark that the city received them via our office.
All right, so I can get a email verification on that. I'm going to ask for what?
If you would like to verify that they've been received,
yes, and given the legal and the insurance company. From what I know, you have to give it to the insurance company.
Well, I'm not involved in that process.
Right.
I give it to legal, and legal takes it from there. But if you would like to receive an email, a written confirmation that it was received and given to legal, then yes.
Yes, just send to andrewbsheets@yahoo.com.
Okay.
It's my name.
Let's see. Today is the 13th. Officer Jimenez, do you have the time?
Right now it is 3:25. No, 23.
I have other friends that would also like to serve you guys. Is this a proper way that you want to do it now? Call them and get you?
It depends on what it is that you're talking about.
Yeah, notice of intent to sue. It is not a summons.
It's important to
It is not a
understand that
summons.
means something
No, that's
different in the
correct. No,
process.
and that's what I said yesterday. It's just a notice of intent to sue.
Okay, and I wasn't here yesterday,
Right.
so I'm not sure exactly
Right.
what happened. But if it's just papers like this,
Right.
which are notice of intent to sue,
Right.
then yes, you can come up to the clerk's office and we can accept those and give them to the legal department. If you are serving
Yeah, no,
summons
no.
or an actual
I know. I've done this a
lawsuit,
long
things
time.
like
No,
that,
no,
then
no,
that's
no,
gotta go
no,
through a
no,
different-
no,
a
no.
different process.
Okay, there's video from a couple weeks ago. Are you aware that somebody in your office on the 3rd floor, Sean Berry, was here
Does this have anything to do with these notices of intent?
So let me finish.
Okay.
So he was giving papers up there on the 3rd floor, and somebody in your office took them and said, "I'm not taking them," set it down on the chair and walked away.
I have no knowledge of that.
All right, so that's on video. They tried to do the right thing, and the city didn't do their job. All right, so I will let everybody know that this is a proper way now.
If you have notices of intent to sue that you would like to submit to the
Right.
city, then you may come to the city clerk's office, ask for either myself, the deputy city clerk, or Sarah Welch,
Right.
the city clerk. We will take the notices of intent to sue, mark them received by the city clerk's office, pass them on to legal, and if you would like, provide confirmation of receipt
Oh,
via
absolutely.
email that the city clerk's office took them and gave them
Correct.
to the legal department.
I think this is more fun. This is where I'm going to tell everybody to do it now.
So if that's
absolutely,
the
yeah,
process,
because
yes.
they got screwed the other day. I got screwed the other day. Now I had to take time out of my day to come here
Well,
to
like
do
I
this.
said, I can't speak to what happened the other day because I was not here. But
Right.
if those are the documents that you
Yeah,
would like the
it's
city
not a
to
summons.
have,
It's not
then,
a summons.
Then you can do that process. You can come to the clerk's office, ask for myself or the city clerk.
Correct.
We'll mark them received.
Correct.
We will pass them on to legal, and we will provide an email.
So can you let
stating
the lady know at the desk right there, because she would not let me do that yesterday.
lady at which desk?
She was an older lady that was at the front window right there.
Up on the second floor.
Yeah, that floor right
Okay.
there.
Yes, I will let them know that if someone has a notice of intent to sue,
Yeah.
that they can send them up to the clerk's office.
Yeah, I told her I was going to call the cops. She said go for it, so I did.
Okay. Well,
All right. So that's it. I will let everybody know,
Yes.
man. We're going to call you every time now.
Well, you don't. If you would like to do this, next time,
This is way more fun. He knows
it's up
it.
to you, but
This is
now
way
that we've
more fun.
clarified the administrative
No,
process, they don't
no.
necessarily need to be
Again,
here.
like I
Obviously,
said,
it's your right to
like
call
I
them
said, I got screwed yesterday. Then Sean Berry got screwed on video. The lady taking it and setting it down. No, this is way better. We're gonna have to do it this way now. So, all right, I'm all set. You're all set. All right. Have a nice day.
All right, guys, what's going on? Levi Trumbull reporting here, and check out this unbelievable situation out of the city of Punta Gorda, Florida. So the city of Punta Gorda is actually being federally sued, and First Amendment activist Andrew Sheets showed up to try to be a process server to effectuate the service of process as it relates to that federal lawsuit, and also to file his own notice of intent to sue. And the deputy city clerk for the city of Punta Gorda actually refused to accept that lawful service of process, citing that there was some sort of policy that prohibited her from doing that. Guys, it's all nonsense. She could have absolutely taken that complaint, no problem. Again, she's the deputy clerk. She is the one who, accepts papers on behalf of the city. That's essentially prima facie her job to do such a thing, and she wouldn't do it. Police were called. They didn't provide any backup in trying to effectuate that service of process either, and it was just complete nonsense through and through. So with that, guys, check out this unbelievable video, and we will catch you very soon.
Good morning, Mr. Sheets. How
Where
can I
is
help you
the
today?
city clerk?
She's not here today.
She's
But
not
I'm
here?
the deputy city clerk. How can I help you?
Is the city manager here?
I don't know if the city manager is here or not. What is your question?
For the notice of intent to sue, it's got to be to either city clerk, city manager, or the mayor.
If it is a notice of intent to sue, then the city clerk's office can accept that. I can accept that on behalf of the city clerk.
On behalf of the city clerk.
Yes, as long as it's a notice of intent to sue,
Right.
not a summons and complaint.
It is a notice of intent to sue from Sean Michael Berry, and then I have a notice of intent to sue because you're denying me the right to give you papers, and I'm asking for federal and state laws to be charged against you for blocking that.
If that information
Okay.
is contained in a notice of intent to sue, I am happy to accept that on
Okay.
behalf of the city clerk's office.
All right, there you go.
I would just like to confirm on the record that all of these are notices of intent to sue. There are no summons and complaints
There
in the
are
documents
notice
you're
of
handing.
intent to sue.
Are there any summons and complaints in the documents
There are
you're
notice
about
of
to hand
intent to
me?
sue.
They are only notices of intent to sue.
Why do I have to tell you that?
Because, Mr. Sheets, as you've been made aware of on several occasions, the mayor is the only person authorized to accept a summons and
Policy
complaint.
doesn't override statute or federal.
Our city policy on that is in compliance with state statutes, Mr. Sheets. You've been told that time and time again.
You've been told that time and
If
time
you
again.
have
You're
notices
full of
of
crap.
intent to sue,
What
I'm
about
happy
that?
to
What about
accept
that
that,
other
but
one
if
where you
there
said
are
that I
summons-
had to be registered to serve you?
For a
Did you say
for
that?
A state
Did
court
you
summons
say that? And
complaint
it's
is-
not a state. It's
I'm not
a
going to stand here and
federal.
argue with you, Mr. Sheets. If you have a notice
So are
of
you
intent
denying service?
of a summons and complaint, yes. If
Are you
have a
denying
noti-
service?
If you have a notice of intent to sue, and that's the document you're handing
Are you
me,
denying service?
I am not authorized to accept service of a summons and
Are you
complaint.
denying service?
Are you serving me a summons
Are you
and
denying service?
Mr. Sheets,
Are you denying service?
are you trying to hand me a notice of intent to sue
Are you
or a
denying
summons
service?
and complaint?
Are you denying service?
No, I'm not denying service.
Yes, you are.
I'm asking a clarification question because if what you're trying to do is serve documents, I want that to be legal just as much as you do.
Oh,
So
I
I'm
want it to
asking
be
a
legal
question
too,
for
so I'm asking you, are you
clarification
denying
purposes.
service?
No, Mr. Sheets, I'm not denying
Yes,
service.
you are.
I'm standing here telling you I'm not denying service.
Yes,
I'm
you
asking
are.
a clarification
So
question
the
to
papers
ensure
are
that
here.
service is
Everybody
made.
can see this. This person is denying service, illegally violating federal and state laws, and we'll put that for the judge.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sheets. You have a great day.
Yeah,
Keep protecting-
f you and have a nice day, you stupid bitch. See you in court.
Gorda Police Department on a recorded line. How may I help you?
Yeah, I'm out front of the police lobby. I need to talk to somebody about denial of service of a federal suit on the city of Punta Gorda. They are illegally denying it, and that is a violation of law.
You're saying it's a civil suit?
That is correct, and we have the law here that states they could and should be charged. I need to talk to somebody out and bring in charges against Miss Faulkner for denying me service. Yep, I need to file a complaint. Why do we have three? What are you scared of?
She's in training. She's just here with me. That's
Is she?
all. Yeah, what can I help you with?
She teaches bad civil rights violations.
What
You
can I
know that,
help you
right?
with, Mr. Sheets?
Okay, yes, they are illegally not accepting my federal complaint to
Do
them.
you need a complaint form?
These are charges that I want brought against Faulkner.
To the courthouse.
I'm talking to you. She has violated the law. Okay, obstruction, interference, legal process, misconduct in office, attempted battery. She actually touched the papers that they gave to the city clerk. Okay, that's touching my stuff while I'm touching it. She's touching it, trying to take it away. Are you going to do your job? I want to file a complaint against her
Okay. For
with charges. This is not a joke, okay? She's teaching the wrong stuff, all right? This is not a joke, all right? Okay, I need an incident report, complaint. These are the things. She's even violating federal also. Do you need to read it yourself?
Take it up to the courthouse.
You're not, so you're going to deny me service too?
You've already been given instructions on how to handle this, Mr. Sheets.
I am telling you she's violating the law, and you're not going to do anything. Are you denying me service?
You've already been given instructions on how to go about handling
Are you
it.
denying me service?
You've already been given
Are you
directions on how
denying me
to handle this.
service? She's teaching you the wrong way. She's a piece of shit. She's the next one to be sued for giving me a ticket for free speech with a bullhorn. You denied me service. You're on it too.